Today we are going to put in our front windshield first. The plan is to go to the car show this weekend, but we'll see. So we have two little tabs. Try to grab, there's a tab here, along there. These tabs are going to tap back just a little bit. I'm going to leave them up, but the tabs that are around the window here, here's one here, we're going to tip them flat so that we can put the bottom of the rubber in here and with suction cups push it forward, pull these tabs back down that we've flattened. I think there's one of that. Yeah. Pull this one up so we can hold the rubber in, and then we will take a cord that we're going to put in the rubber, and then we're going to peel it around. So wish us luck. Well, we got the window in, not without spending about 3 hours doing it. Turns out that we needed to, all these little tabs that we have here, you can see them right there, they had to be flat. I mean, completely flat. Otherwise the rubber fits pretty darn tight. So now we just got to put the divider in, but we got it in, but it took us 3 hours at least. We're not 100% done. We got to get that gap correct on there for the divider, but yeah, it's in. So we got this window, and I want to get the back window in before we go to the car show this weekend. But we're doing it. It has a pretty decent fitment on here. I'm not unhappy. It's a little dark in here, but I'm not unhappy with it. Looks like it's not too shabby. We'll see. We're gonna have to do a little. We have to do a little bit of playing with that gap. We just didn't get that quite right. So we'll hopefully it can hide it a little bit. We're gonna try to stretch the rubber so that they meet, and then silicone them together, or we'll do that 3M adhesive that they have. So anyway, that is a little bit of progress. Catch you later. Well, my brother and I got it in. Doesn't look too bad. I had to use the original seal and everything for the divider because the other one was too long, but we used clear silicone to kind of spruce it up a little bit. It wasn't that terrible, but it was 80 years old, so I don't think it looks too bad. It looks pretty neat. So now we're on to the back window. Thanks, Jeff. And also, it'd be good to have 3 people. two people were okay, but a third person would have been much better. There. Well, today is going to be the Pantowners car show in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and I got my dad with me. He was born when this car was made, so hopefully we'll have a kind of fun trip. We have no glass on the sides, but I got glass on the front and the back, so it might be a little cool trip. So let's get her fired up here.